Tonight, I'm going to be picking an ASSA 700 with the GRAV pick. Right here's the GRAV. I'm going to be using it to pick this ASSA 700 right here. Now, this is one that I've only picked a few times before. Don't forget to like. This is not the one I picked for my black belt. This one actually has 4 Christmas trees in it. So it is quite a difficult little lock. And the tensioner I've got for it, it doesn't quite fit. So yeah, it's just a real pain in the butt. But I wanted to show that it can, the GRAV pick can pick these types of locks. I probably will be doing a review on the GRAV pick to follow. I wanted to pick through a couple different locks with it first to be able to include it in my review. So that will be coming up. But for now, just enjoy this picking video of the ASSA 700 for Christmas trees with the GRAV pick. All right, guys, that sums it up, and I will see you on the next one. Lady Locks out. Subscribe.